Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Mercedes E350 W212. The procedure is similar for other Mercedes with the 350 petrol engine. We can see the serpentine belt on this car is located on the front of the engine. First, we'll start by removing the engine cover. Next, I'm going to remove the serpentine belt. In order to remove the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner to get the belt loose, and then we can remove the belt. This is the tensioner right there, and this is the bolt underneath the tensioner that we're going to turn. We're going to turn it anti-clockwise in order to loosen the belt, and then we can take out the belt. To turn the tensioner, I'm going to use a long socket size 17 and a long ratchet. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So now I'm going to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise, and this way the belt will get loosened, and then we can remove the belt from one of the pulleys. That's the belt loosened and out. Now we can take out the ratchet and remove the belt. And that's the belt out. Next, I'll show you a diagram of the routing of the belt, how it goes around all the pulleys. And afterwards, we're going to put on the belt. This is the belt that I'm using for this car. So now I'm going to put it around all the pulleys except for one pulley, which should be somewhere on top, maybe one of the guide pulleys. We're going to put it on the last pulley when we turn the tensioner all the way anti-clockwise. This way we'll be able to put it onto the last pulley. Now we've put the belt around all the pulleys except for one, which is up there. You can see we've only haven't put it around this pulley, and now we're going to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise all the way, and then we're going to put it on top of that pulley. and that's the belt around all the pulleys. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.